doing great. So today we're in the greenhouse, folks, and we're going to see if we can get the floor in. Again, if you guys can see from behind me, this is a lean that I've gotten, and I've been working on it, trying to build a custom greenhouse. Now, we had a regular greenhouse here on the farm, you know, the aluminum frame structure, 12 feet long, 8 foot wide. It was a good sized work for us. Had little plastic panels in it that sat in the grooves. But unfortunately a tornado came through last August and took the roof off it. It just wasn't strong enough for that, and that's understandable. But the other problem we were having with it is at night in Minnesota in January, February, and March, it got so blasted cold we were pumping a ton of heat in it. So this one's going to be a little different because we're going to take the north wall and the west walls here behind me, and we're going to insulate them. And we're going to insulate that ceiling too. The reason being is because we've got a wide open space in the front that we're going to use to let the sun come in, and it faces directly south. So this should work great. Again, we've moved out the old one. I'll show you a clip of that here and where that ended up, because that got sold after we put the roof back on and tried to make it nice. So enjoy the adventure, folks, as we kind of put up a custom greenhouse. There's the power lines coming in there. The one on the bottom there is 220 for the heater. The other power lines are the 15 and the 20 amp. Putting in a big center beam on it now, and we'll leg this in place. I'll try to get it up to the level edge. Then we're going to fill this space with gravel more. Then we're going to put some formula in here to keep the heat from going into the ground. And then we're going to put the 2x10s in here for flooring. We're going to try and put these great big legs under here right into that. And that should really hold this in place. Yeah. Alright, we got the floor in, and that'll probably be where we stop today. By the time we fix our gravel and stuff where the skid steer is, it'll be a long enough day. We'll haul the rest of the lumber in that we need, and we'll continue next week. Thank you for watching and liking and supporting our channel, folks. Until next week.